Guys, today is 7-Eleven. So of course, we come to 7-Eleven and
Free small Slurpees.
free small Slurpee. So, we're here.
Yay!
We're here. Yes, that's a rooster. It's my
Y'all should see
swimsuit.
what I see right now.
It's a swimsuit. It's swimsuit bottoms. And that's a rooster again. So check in with you guys when we start the trail. We're just prepping, getting ready to go. Just had an amazing breakfast at Koa. Had my egg benedict, you already know. And these had this wonderful crab omelet. They're both delicious, but they gave us the itis. So we sat in the car for about an hour. And now we're gonna go hike Manoa. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park right now. Oh man, what started off as a clean step is muddy. Everyone's feet are covered in mud coming up this way. Chacos make it okay. Tennis shoes, another story. I've seen about 3 people slip and fall already, which is why I won't be looking at you guys while I walk. I'm just gonna walk. And of course, Whew.
I'm coming.
It's good.
Hello.
We weren't doing like the perfect time, guys. It's not hot, it's not cold, there's no rain, though it's a little wet. It's like perfect. Look at the trees. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Sounds of these trees. So when you reach these rocks, you basically have reached the falls. If I can see them. So, there she is. All her glory. Okay, we're gonna try to get a little closer. I am not gonna record, so my phone can get broken. Be back. So we made it to the hike was not bad at all. It was mainly just really muddy. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me right now, but if not, I'll do a voiceover. But yeah, we're about to head back. Manoa Falls, check.